So basically, my purpose and impact leadership led me to my freedom. What leads you to your freedom? But there's a bigger reason. My bigger reason today is to empower you to fulfill your purpose, to find what destiny that is for you and do it. If all this system did for you was to help you follow your dreams, find your passion and purpose, and do it, would that be worth it?
Yeah, it does.
If all this system did for you was to help you start that impactful business that you were thinking about all these years, would that be worth it? If all this system did for you was to help you travel the world and make your big impact, would it be worth it?